Launched in 2013, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor links the Gwadar port in Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Over the past 10 years, CPEC has witnessed energy, transport, and industrial cooperation between the two countries. The Suki Kinary hydropower project, located in northwest Pakistan, is the biggest hydropower project under the CPEC framework. Invested and constructed by the China Gezhouba Group Corporation, the state-of-the-art infrastructure has been designed with Chinese technologies to be safe, cost-effective, and green.
The CGC is using the latest technology for this project, which obviously has a huge impact on for the safety and the protection of the environment. This project, the purification plants and the machineries are all of the state-of-the-art machinery.
The project started construction in January 2017. It's equipped with 4 turbine generator units with a capacity of 222 megawatts each, together with a total installed capacity of 873.5 megawatts, expecting to generate 3.212 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually.
इस तरह का मेगा प्रोजेक्ट हमारे यहाँ इस एरिया में इससे पहले यहाँ पे नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ था। तो जब से ये चाइनीज़ आए हैं, ये नई टेक्नोलॉजी साथ लेके आए हैं, जिससे पहले हम अवेयर नहीं थे, इस टेक्नोलॉजी से पहले हम अवेयर नहीं थे। तो जब ये टेक्नोलॉजी लेके आए हैं, पहले इन्होंने खुद काम किया उस पर, और उसके बाद जो हमारे जितने भी अनस्किल्ड लोग थे यहाँ पे, उनको फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पे उस चीज़ पे काम करवाया, उस मशीनरी पे काम करवाया है।
Once put into operation, it will help save 1.28 million tons of standard coal and 3.2 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually, and provide affordable and clean green energy to over 1 million Pakistani families.